Akalain mo yun, isang dekada at higit na pala, simula nung nagkakilala tayo. At di naman siguro halatang na-love at first sight ako, kasi nasira mo na nga yung payong ko, inoffer ko pa yung subject schedule natin, at nakuha ko pang ilibre ka ng soft drinks sa first day ng pagkikita natin.
Hello, love. Finally, the day we are always dreaming of is now happening. I love you without any space. If napansin mo every morning. You have noticed that for 10 years, I've consistently sent you these texts every time before we start our day. So, good morning. Because these letters do have meaning. Kaya siya magkakadikit.
Alam mo ba, I always pray to God, sabi ko, Lord, kung di man siya magiging para sa akin, please, gawin mo na lang siyang para sa akin. I might say, thank you Lord, He is standing in front of you with me today.
So, sa I, you are my inspiration. You're a very inspirational person to me. Everything seems possible kapag ikaw nililook forward ko. L, love. I love you that much, I can't imagine a single day without telling you that I love you. I love telling stories or informational trivias. Alam mo na. To you, kasi you're my favorite listener.
I promise to listen to you with compassion and good understanding, to speak with you with honesty and respect, and to always holding you closer no matter whatever life throws our way. Thanks to you kasi yung mga shinare mo sa akin ay naititrivia ko na din sa pamilya at sa mga kaibigan ko. A decade of love with you feels like just yesterday when I first saw you in the hallway of the IT building. I'm so proud of you. I really do. I love you so much. Always.
I vow to give everything and whatever I can do for you, my love. Forever will always do. I love you. For God's sake.